Good morning. Today is September 5th at 7:37 a.m. Today is also my first day of class, so I'm up a little bit earlier. I'm going to go ahead and make myself a cup of tea and then log into my portal. While I was doing some work, I got a notification that there was motion at our front gate, so I just checked that really fast, and of course there was nothing there. Since I submitted my first assignment, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a mental break from doing computer work, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of mix up my dough for my artisan style bread. Now, being that this is artisan style bread, it does take about 8 hours to rise at room temperature, so I'm going to get it started now so that later on tonight I can go ahead and bake it, and then it'll be ready for tomorrow morning. Okay, that didn't take too long to finish, so I'm back at the computer working again, reading chapter 1. I lied to you not, as soon as I sat down, probably like 5 minutes after, the baby woke up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make her some pancakes for breakfast. After breakfast, I went back to doing my schoolwork, and here she is, just, on the bookshelf, putting her book back up or trying to. She hasn't mastered walking yet, but she's working on it, so she always, takes a few steps and then stops, or she'll just hold on to stuff. For my daughter to be 1, she is already very independent. We kind of have this thing where we just let her roam free in the house. Like, we leave our bedroom door open, we leave her bedroom door open. The kitchen's always available as well as the living room. And so she is free to, come and go as she pleases, but she comes to us when she's hungry or she needs to be changed or she's sleepy like right now. When she's sleepy, she'll just like cuddle with you. Since I didn't eat breakfast, I just made her pancakes and fed them to her, or gave them to her per se. I'm gonna have a shrimp salad for technically my breakfast, and then I'm gonna eat off of the same salad again for my lunch. So it's one big salad for 2 meals.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
Since she's not a huge fan of salad, I'm just feeding her some fried rice that I made. After she eats, I decide that it's time to take her braids out, so I'm going to go ahead and take the back ones out today, and then probably tomorrow I'll take out the rest of them. Okay, I took the back ones out, and then I'm going to re-braid it up so her hair is just not out. She is currently watching Miss Rachel while I start dinner. I put beans on the stove probably about 4 hours ago, so now I'm just making the things that go inside of it. Believe it or not, it has already been 8 hours and it's time to get this in the oven.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow.
For dinner, alongside the beans, I'm gonna make some chicken tacos.
In my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. the zone. You're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Just in an email at home. You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're always hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby.
I guess while he's doing dishes, she's helping him out. So at this point, it's 8:42 and they have gone to bed. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my homework. I finally finished at around 2:40 a.m. and it is time to go to bed. Good night, y'all.